We're heading towards the end of the light of the tunnel. What's good, YouTube? Out here at a creek. This is a creek I've been fishing. I got a friend about to link up with me, and hopefully we're gonna catch some bluegill and do a little catch and cook. One thing about my channel, it's One Love Fishing, and it's supposed to be bringing people together. It's about everyone sharing the same interests in fishing. So if I can get people, you know, together, unite them through fishing, I feel like that's the whole purpose of why I make videos. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this episode. All right, you guys stay tuned. Hey, this is my boy Braden. What up? We're about to show you something real cool. Braden came up with this idea. We were fishing the other day, and he saw that there was this dock that's floating on water. He saw that, and so we came up with an idea to do a catch and cook, and we're gonna go ahead and get on the water. Ready? Yes, sir. All right, so the game plan is we're gonna try to get under these. This is awesome. And it's about 90 degrees. It feels about like 95, 100. But yeah, let's go to this one. So this is gonna keep us out of the heat here.
You want to spin it so we can swap it in?
Oh, absolutely. Let's spin it around. Hold on right here. You good on that side? This is what you gotta do when you ain't got paddles. All right, we are in here. This is so much cooler here.
Woo!
Right?
Feels like 20 degrees cooler.
I didn't do your garlic trick. So we're doing a weightless presentation. We got just the hook and the line, and make sure to keep that bail open, so just in case like a catfish comes and doesn't snatch your rod. Yep. It's that deep water. Oh, come back here. Is it? Nah, okay. Pretty small. Oh, it's a little bigger. See you later, dude. You got a bite? Okay. Nice, nice. What you see there? Bluegill. Kind of on the little end, but hey, yeah, he's gut hooked, so we might as well keep him. Oh, that's a nice one, bro. That's a shell cracker. For real? Yeah, nice catch, man. Nice. That is a nice one. Yeah. I got one. Woo. Only thing about, you know, eating these though, they don't have any meat on it. You know, you got to get like the one that you caught was pretty decent. Got me a small bluegill. See you later, dude. Rod I'm using is a Zebco Dock Demon Okuma reel. I like these because you can just throw them in your trunk wherever you're at. You can pull over and fish. Hey, yo.
Got one?
I got a fish on.
For real?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, you and these fish.
Too easy.
These fan fish.
Here it is. Ready?
There we got.
Here the gas going. All right. I'm gonna have to improvise here. Okay. There it is.
Oh yeah.
All right, we are in there.
Stuff going.
It's gonna take quite a while to boil it, so just keep it like that.
So the current's reversing.
Get that lid. Yeah, the current's reversing right now.
So we got the hot and spicy noodles. We got the shrimp, the chicken,
Okay, we got shrimp and
and
chicken.
then we got the blazing hot. That's gonna be a challenge. I don't know if I can take that. I don't think I've ever ate that.
You ready to do this, man?
I'm ready, man.
Hey, appreciate you
For real.
Looks like our water's boiling right now. Trying to get past the gut pocket. See without puncturing that.
Ooh, that was pretty good, man.
Thanks, man. That's luck, man. Just hope that there's not many bones inside.
Yeah. Man, you're pretty good at that.
Nah, not even. I appreciate it though. Just one little fillet there. I mean, the fish wasn't so big, so.
Yeah.
Just got done filleting. Let's put some spices on. Braden brought some lemon juice. So we're gonna put that in there. Just get a little bit of salt going. Some garlic powder. And some chili powder. Some pepper going.
I don't usually eat the chili sauce. It's really not that good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's like dried herbs in there.
Right.
And then there's the powder.
Right. Okay.
I'm not a big fan of the chili sauce.
I hear you. So you don't put that in there, you said? All right. Yeah, this in. No doubt. Chicken broth. Pour the water in. All right, now we're gonna take some of this fish. Some chopsticks. We're gonna make sure the fish gets down into the soup because we want it to get cooked. All right, we ain't got much light in here. Nah, I got this light. All right. Hey, go ahead, show them that piece of fish.
All right. So we got the hot and spicy chicken. Try it. Oh my gosh, that bluegill. On point. He's good at seasoning.
Nice.
That's good, man. That is great.
Let me give this a shot. We gotta get some sunlight in here. Here's the shrimp. Here's a piece of bluegill. Ain't bad.
Bruh, I must be missing out on something. So I think it's great.
Yeah.
I have to get around and try some fish and stuff.
Oh, the ramen is on point though.
Told you. I told you.
Man, good. I appreciate you, bro.
No problem, man. This stuff is good.
One thing I wish we had was just a little bit more bluegill. I feel like the fillets that we had wasn't enough for both of us, but it was enough to get a taste test out of it.
Definitely underestimated the bluegill. I didn't think it was gonna be that good. I'm not the biggest fan of fish, but I've tried a lot of fish.
Right. Yeah. This is how we paddle. Can you show them what we do?
Got you, man. You gotta do a little like treadmill.
It's all right. Bet. And you're off. We're heading towards the end of the light of the tunnel. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
All right, ready? I appreciate it, man.
Appreciate you, brother.
Nice little catch and cook.
Maybe next time it'll be a little bit better, but
It's all good.
it tasted good. We had fun. That's all that matters.
Absolutely. You already know.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the road is pretty cold. You might need a